Updating your payout destination on Binance is an important process to ensure that your funds are sent to the correct account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Begin by visiting the Binance website or opening the Binance app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, locate the Wallet tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your wallet options, including balances and transaction history. Step 3. Access Payout settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your payout destination. In the payout settings, you will see your current payout destination. Click on the option to edit or change this information. Enter your new payout destination details accurately. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout destination, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may need to complete additional verification steps such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Make sure to double-check all details before finalizing the update. Keeping your payout destination current is essential for smooth transactions.